In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Notion calendar. By the end, you'll know how to share your calendar privately with specific people and how to publish it to the web for anyone to view, even without a Notion account. First, open the calendar from your database. In Notion, calendars are typically views of a database. So start by navigating to the page where your database lives. Click to open it so you can see its content. If it doesn't already look like a calendar, that's okay. You are just looking at a different view of the same database. To switch, look for the view switcher at the top left of the database. Then click Calendar View. This ensures you are seeing your items arranged by dates, which makes sharing clearer and more useful for your audience. Now, let's share with specific people. At the top right of the page, click Share. In the sharing window, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Next, choose the appropriate access level. If you want them to only look at the calendar, select Can View. If you trust them to update events or make changes, choose Can Edit. When you are ready, click Invite. They'll receive an email with access, and they can open the calendar from there. If they don't already use Notion, they may be prompted to sign in or create a free account before they can view or edit, depending on the permission you selected. You can always return to this Share menu later to adjust or remove access if needed. If you want a broader audience to see your calendar without managing individual invites, you can publish it to the web. Open the same Share menu, go to the Publish tab and toggle on Publish to Web. Notion will generate a public link. Click to copy that link and share it anywhere you like: email, chat, or your website. Anyone with that link can view the calendar, even if they don't use Notion. Keep in mind that publishing makes the content visible to anyone with the link, so only use this option for information you are comfortable sharing publicly. You can turn publishing off at any time by returning to the same toggle. That's it. Open your calendar, switch to Calendar View, share privately with invites when you need control, or publish to the web for open access. Thanks for watching.